In this guide, we will show you how to enable dark mode in Google Docs. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. In this video, we will be using Google Chrome, so it's recommended that you use it as well, since we will be installing an extension. Start by going to the top right corner and clicking on the three dots. Hover over extensions and click on Visit Chrome Web Store. In the web store, type in Google Doc Dark Mode. In the search bar, we will use the top result. Click on it, then click on Add to Chrome and confirm by clicking Add Extension. Return to Google Docs and refresh the page. Dark mode should now be enabled. If it isn't, click on the extension icon to enable it. If you found this tutorial useful, please leave a like. Thanks for watching.